On July 29, 2023, a woman walked out of a Fred Meyer in Shoreline, Washington, past every checkout register without paying, jewelry dropping from her purse on the way out. The moment the officer said, "You're not free to leave," Terry versus Ohio kicked in. A store employee directly watched her exit without paying. That is reasonable, articulable suspicion. Detention was lawful.
Hello, ma'am. I'm also familiar with the Kirkland Police Department, just here being on a video recorded. Do you have a receipt for all this?
Over my phone. Why?
Okay. Can I see it?
My phone is going out.
Okay.
Why?
So they just watch you walk out past all points of sale without a receipt. So
Oh, no, nobody. Who?
can we go back and figure it out then?
My Uber's coming, sir.
Okay. Well then, I'm gonna have no choice. You're being detained at this point.
Why?
You're not free to leave because I believe you to have stolen all this stuff.
No, I did not take this right here, the dress.
Okay. Can we go back inside and figure it out then?
That's what she's saying.
No. Can we go back inside and figure it out, or will you get?
Well, listen, sir, my Uber's coming, so
No, you're not going then.
why?
Working fine.
Okay, let's figure it out.
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna be late for my Uber.
Can you show me on another contact at the Fred Meyer? Well, then you'll just have to call a new one. Let's go.
No, I don't, because my insurance is not caught. My insurance is not gonna cover it.
Okay. So this is what's going to happen right now. Either we go figure this out, or you're being detained for this. We're going to figure it out, and then if you've stolen this stuff, then I will arrest you for it. Or we can go inside and solve this issue, and then we don't have to go down that route. It's your call.
Okay.
I was standing right here when you walked out, so let's go back inside and just try to figure it out.
Okay.
Okay, that's probably the best route.
All right. Am I going to jail?
We're gonna see.
Well, I didn't pay for it or nothing.
Okay. Well, we're gonna see what they want to do.
Okay.
This is an employee here. When another employee watched you walk out, that's how I know that none of this stuff is paid for. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So it's up to him. If he would like to provide you the opportunity, do you have the money to pay for this?
Not all.
Not all of it? Okay. Well, okay. Why don't you grab your phone? Or let's walk over here. Here, I'm just gonna have you walk over here. You put that back in there. Okay. No, leave your purse here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and we're just gonna walk over here to the bench. We're coming back in right now. Okay. Okay. So, what's going on? Let's keep going this way.
I just need some stuff.
Okay, let's go over here. I'm gonna have you sit down on this bench. Okay, so you didn't pay for anything, right? You sit down. Okay. All right.
So we'll get you a total in a itemized list.
Okay. But want to prosecute?
Yep. Cool.
All right. You think it's over 2,000?
Probably not.
Oh, sir, those are mine.
I know.
Oh, those.
You got 2 tools of the trade. Hey.
No.
All right.
Can you
So.
come up to the water? Thank you.
Walked right out. Yeah.
He was here on another issue that I called on, and then she didn't. Right.
All right. Okay. So right now, I know you have a walking issue. So I'm gonna take your phone here, and this purse is yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you walk with me out to my vehicle. These are
One was in their handbag, one was in here. I need to.
Okay. Can you walk out with me? So we're gonna. Yeah, it's gonna be side.
Yeah.
It's not over 2 grand. So.
Okay. We're gonna get a list straightened out for you.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
2 copies of that on the plate. Here.
So here's what's happening right now. You can sit there if it's a little bit better. So I appreciate your honesty. Honesty goes a long way with me. Okay. So I appreciate you being honest. Did you not see me sitting here? Okay. So they want to press charges for the theft. Okay. So I'm not going to take you to jail. All right. But
I'm gonna press charges. What happens?
Well, you're gonna get. So I'm not gonna issue you a cite today because then I'd have to book you and release you. Okay. So like I said, I appreciate the honesty. Honesty goes a long way with me. If you keep that up, then this will be a much quicker process. Okay. There's two options that we have. Okay. So right now, you are under arrest, though. Okay, just so you're aware of that. I'm gonna search your bag here because this is on your person. Is there anything else in here that doesn't belong to you?
No.
Are you sure? Okay. Where'd you get these?
I got those at Target. My daughter did.
Do you guys sell these?
That's mine.
Yes.
That's from Target. My daughter got me that. I use some.
Okay. So you don't have an ID or driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, on the front there.
Yeah. No, that's not it.
Yeah, I got it.
No, that's not it. That's my.
Yep.
That's my friend.
Okay. Stop.
Okay.
Stop. Sit down.
It's right here.
Nope, stop. Who is this?
That's my friend. Sugar daddy. That's my sugar daddy. That's my friend. That's my friend, Michael.
Okay. So I'm gonna call him. All right. So it's not in here.
I said I wasn't gonna be arrested.
You're not. Just well, hold on. Okay. So I gotta figure out who she is.
Someone else's ID and
Yeah, exactly. So
plot thickens on this one.
yeah. So.
I have to work on scanning all that stuff, and there's quite a bit in those too.
And I'm just assuming 3-year trespassing this as well.
Yeah.
Okay, and just so you're aware, you're being trespassed from this Fred Myers for 3 years. If you come back, you're subject to arrest. Today's date is the 29th of July, 2023. So if you return by July 29th of 2026, you are subject to arrest. Yeah, I'll just take the itemized sheet once you get it, and then can you pull video? Yeah, because I'll and then I'll get you a case number and a card. Have you done the Axon uplink, or do you normally email it? Okay.
Yep. So I'll give you an email so you can send me the link.
Yeah.
And then I'll upload the email and walk out.
Yeah. I just
Who's this?
hers. So she walked out with like just a cart full of stuff.
And I missed the one in custody part.
Yeah.
Anyone else in that car right there?
Which one?
Or which car are you?
So here.
I guess I'm playing catch up, sorry.
Yeah, this is what I need. So these two things were in her purse. I need to get you to go find out who that is and contact him.
These are the person we need to do what?
Those are in her. Yeah, those are in her wallet. So I need to figure out who that is and if he's aware that she's in possession.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Who did she say this is?
She says it's her neighbor. That she's.
It's her who?
It's her neighbor / boyfriend.
Her neighbor?
Yeah. Which I mean, if that's true, then and he's okay with it, then she can have it. But if not.
If she allowed, I can remember.
If he allows her to have that, then she can have possession of it.
Yeah, okay.
But if not,
Contact this person?
yeah.
I'm gonna leave this open or closed?
You can close it.
Close it. Hello.
Hey, brother.
You were the one that called this in?
So, long story short,
Here, just stand over here.
this gentleman was here because I called him on another suspicious vehicle that was here that he went and cleared.
Okay.
When he came back and was addressing me with what happened, this lady just straight walked out. My apparel associate was behind her. It's like, hey, this jewelry just fell out of her purse. She hadn't gone through check stands. And he proceeded to follow her out over between the two red vehicles over there. And he's like, what's going on? She's like, yeah, I didn't pay.
What's she tag?
She's like, yeah, I didn't pay for this stuff.
Pay for what? Do you know what she tagged?
Oh yeah, they're tallying it up now. It's a big. I mean, there's probably over $100 just in alcohol alone in the cart.
Okay, I'll work on this.
All right. So what was our grand total?
$916
Well, there was classes that didn't have UPC, so.
plus another 22. So we're looking at 940, 930,
Okay.
940.
Okay, I'll take that.
So yeah, we'll call it 940.
Should be a felony, not a felony.
There you go.
All right.
Scissors? 10 more scissors.
Oh no, you can take it. Yeah, I know. I got her ID. So she had another ID in her purse that for a male. She says it's like her boyfriend. She called him her sugar daddy. So I don't know. I got to figure out if she can have that or not have that or whatever.
Did this happen while you were here for the other
Dude,
theft?
she walked out with my car right there. Like, I'm just gonna start parking like in front of the doors, because
Because I called him on a suspicious vehicle, right?
Sure. Yeah.
And he had just cleared that vehicle, came back over to give me the follow-up on it, and we're standing there, and my apparel associate's following this lady up, like, she didn't pay, she's going straight out the door, jewelry's falling out of her purse,
Okay.
and blah, 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 like, 4 pieces of jewelry fell out of her purse in produce, and so he followed out and was like, what's going on?
yeah, she's like, I paid for everything. The receipt's on my phone. I was like, let me see it. She said, my phone's dying. And I was like, well, then we gotta go back inside and figure it out. And she goes, well, I'm gonna miss my Uber. I was like, if your phone dies, Uber won't care. Like, let's go back inside and figure it out. And then as we're walking back in, she's like, okay, I took everything. I was like, all right.
Okay.
So, 940, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Do you want me to do the transport for you then?
I don't. Well, so I was.
Are you good here?
Well, no. So I was curious. So initially, because I thought you guys were going to have the occupied bird, I was just going to cite and release. Well, I wasn't even going to cite and release, but now that we have Manning, we could cite and release, and that way I don't have to file through investigations. I can just cut the site now.
I mean, book and release.
It would be a book and release, but it would be a cite and release. Well, because that way she'd have the site,
Right.
You know, so I'd cite her, and then because then it'd just be still not in custody.
No, it's not. You don't have to in custody, but are you going to take her to the jail?
Yeah. Could you process her for me? Just that way she's ID'd, because I don't like that she doesn't have a driver's license or she doesn't have any ID on her, and
No DOL photo.
there is a DOL photo, but she has someone else's ID, so I'd like to have her fingerprints on file just to be like,
Okay.
you know.
Okay. What's Davis working on?
He's working the ID.
Okay. So I'll move my car over and we can swap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
So, yeah, Peter, if you want to send me the details in the email, and then a link to submit everything,
Yeah, that will be my next thing.
because I'll need her name and stats.
Yeah.
That'll, for my report.
That'll all be. Yeah, I'll just add that. I'll add that to the email.
Perfect, yep.
I'm waiting for phone numbers on this.
No phone numbers.
Oh,
Where's he live?
I'm waiting. Out of Seattle. I'm waiting for phone numbers.
Okay.
So we'll give it a minute.
Okay, so here's what I got. So your DOL address is out of Yakima. I know you don't live in Yakima. So where you live now?
I live in Shoreline.
You live in Shoreline?
Yes, I'm Northgate.
Okay, how'd you get here?
The Uber.
How?
Uber.
You Ubered here?
Yeah, through my insurance.
Through your
I
insurance?
have night here. That's not
Yeah, okay. So why did you come here?
because it's nice out here.
Okay. Alright. Have you been out here before? Like this area?
You have to see my daughter.
To see your daughter?
She's in a shelter.
She's in a shelter here?
And for my grandkids.
Okay, so just due to the amount, a little bit of game change. I know,
I'm gonna get arrested.
hold on. It's going to be what's called a book and release. So you're going to get driven to the jail, you're going to get processed, okay? And then you're going to be released directly from the jail, okay, with all your property. But you did take almost $1,000 worth of merchandise.
Oh,
All right?
wow.
So just due to the volume, all right, that's what we're gonna do. All right, that was a lot of items. All right, so I'm gonna have you go ahead and take a step out for me. So she needs the walker to walk.
Searched.
No, I haven't searched her at all. Would you object?
Let's have Jennifer come so she's working.
Yeah.
We'll search.
Okay, come back, same again.
Oh yeah. Just ask for a female officer. Okay. So we're gonna get a female officer here to do a search for you. Go ahead and get comfy. We're gonna close the door until then.
Is this collapsible?
Yeah, it is collapsible.
If not, I can put it in mine.
We'll take it. So with her property, she does have scissors and dikes.
She's good. I'm good.
Yeah, so that has to come off just for the jail.
Just for the jail, okay?
Yeah, but it'll be given back to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you place it back inside.
And then we'll get out of here shortly, okay?
That's fine.
Okay.
Go ahead and sit back for me and I'm gonna buckle you in, okay?
Okay, I have the ID, right? Yeah.
You got both?
Yeah, I got both. Okay. I'm just gonna run her up because I'm already doing paper on it. No point making someone else go. So you can clear. Thank you for.
You got the walker?
Yeah, it's in the back. So all your property is going to stay out here so we don't take it into the jail, okay? Then you'll get processed and then I'll meet you outside and then I'll return your property to you,
All
okay?
right.
Have you ever been booked into jail before?
No, on Saturday, 2018.
Okay. In this jail or
No, Pierce County.
Pierce County? Okay.
Yeah.
Walking back inside, she said unprompted, "I didn't pay for none of this." No custody, no interrogation. Miranda did not attach. That statement goes straight to the prosecutor, no challenge possible. The officer searched her purse before formally declaring her under arrest. Under Rawlings versus Kentucky, a search immediately contemporaneous with an arrest holds even if the declaration comes seconds later. Close, but valid. Inside the purse, a male's government-issued ID she could not account for. Washington's revised Code 9A60 covers possession of another person's ID without consent. One bad decision compounded into a second potential felony. The stolen merchandise totaled $940. Under revised Code 9A56040, anything between $750 and $5,000 is theft in the second degree, a Class C felony. Officers considered cite and release under revised Code 780060, but she had no valid photo ID in her own name. A citation issued to an unverified identity is legally worthless. Transport for fingerprinting was the only correct call. Post-arrest background questions address prior bookings, fall under the booking exception carved out in Pennsylvania versus Muniz. Routine administrative questions do not trigger Miranda. He stayed on the right side of that line. The officer gets a B+. Sound detention, real de-escalation correct, search and ID decisions, proper female officer request for the pat-down. Only flag purse search came before the formal arrest declaration. Rawlings covers it, but cleaner sequencing would have been better. The subject gets a C+. Physical compliance and honesty count for something. But an unprompted full confession, $940 in merchandise, and a third party's ID in her wallet honesty is not the same as legal judgment. Loss prevention gets an A-. Observed directly, did not physically confront, handed it immediately to law enforcement. That is the merchant's privilege under Washington common law done exactly right. Observe, report, step back. 2 takeaways. A receipt claim requires a receipt. The right to remain silent exists before arrest, not just after she handed the prosecution its entire case without a single question asked. And every piece of someone else's ID in your wallet is a separate statutory charge waiting to happen. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.